Hey loves, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Valerie, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing something that I haven't done in a while, and it's a try and haul. I visited one of my favorite places to shop in Lagos and actually in Nigeria because they have a store in Abuja as well, Mango, and I picked a lot of outfits. Some for this season, some for the daytime, but I'm going to be showing you what I picked. And I'll be telling you where I'll wear them to, and I'll also be showing you how I styled some of these items. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with someone who will find it helpful, don't forget to drop a comment, and without yapping too much, let's get right into this video. So the first item that we're going to be talking about is actually this gorgeous rose gold. I think it's like a rose gold. It's like a blush shade, but the material is made of satin. It's really pretty. It has pleats and the straps are really tiny. It gives this feminine, dainty look that I absolutely love. Next thing that I actually got as well is the olive pants that I'm wearing this outfit with. This outfit, I love to wear it like that because although they're both colors and there's no neutral in that outfit, I just feel like the colors are soft and they go well together. It's perfect for a visit to a vineyard, or going to a daytime brunch, or going to like a party or like a gathering that's held at the early hours of the evening. All in all, a killer piece. I can't remember how much I got this from. Oh yes, I actually got this blouse on sale and I think it was about $4.9 or $6.9. I'm not sure. I'll put the price on screen. The pants were also on sale for about, I think, 10k or 9k. I'm not sure. But yes, that's the first thing that I got. I absolutely love it. Next outfit we're going to be going on to is, first off, every babe needs a good pair of straight leg jeans. If you're like me and you're not really a skinny jeans all the time kind of babe, then you would really like these trousers. They fit so well. The legs are just the right size of wide, and I really like jeans that have the frayed ends because I feel like it gives a little bit of drama to the outfit. The pockets are also really pretty at the back. I got this in a UK 8, although I would regularly wear a UK 6, so the waist is a little bit big, but it's not too dramatic and it's nothing that having a belt will not solve. So next up is this gorgeous black blouse. You know what's so interesting? This is not something that I would normally go for, but I really did like it. It has a tiny band at the back, so it's showing off skin in a really moderate, sexy yet elegant way. This you could definitely wear during the night time or early evenings. I would not really recommend this blouse for the daytime because you look like you're doing too much. I just love the details on this blouse. It's a black blouse that I think that every babe needs in her wardrobe. This cost about, I think, $19,900. I'm not very sure of the price, but I'll put it on the screen. Next up is this gorgeous dress. You know, when I first saw this dress, I did not think that I would want it because it doesn't really look like it's within my color palette, but the moment I saw the sheen to the dress, I was like, this would be a very nice nighttime, elegant, short but sexy dress to own. The back has this gorgeous open detailing. It's not too short and it's not too long. It fits right. I also love the deep cuts of the neck as well, and then the color is just perfect on my skin. It's so gorgeous. I also absolutely love the bands that it has on the sleeves. Just the right dress. You can wear this to a Christmas dinner, you can wear this for a date night, you can wear this to hang out with the girls, you can wear this anywhere, but I would not recommend this dress for the daytime. Ooh, okay, so this one is like a, I don't even know, it's not a polka dot. It looks like it's a polka dot, but it's not. It's just like this champagne color dress with black dots all over. It has two slits on the side. It's made of high quality satin and very tiny straps. Oh god, straps. This is a very elegant evening dress, which you can actually wear during the daytime if you just change out your heels for a pair of sneakers. Very comfortable, very soft, feels amazing on the skin. 10 over 10. This next dress, well, it's actually not a dress, it's a play suit. It's very interesting. It gives me Serena Vanderwood, I think that's her name, from Gossip Girl, but if she wore black instead of gold. So it's a very girl next door, good girl looking type of dress, but you can see that there's a lot of shoulder. There's something interesting going on in the center. It's given old money, expensive, but like just a little bit laid back. The material has like this sheen to it, very perfect for the Christmas time. If you don't want to wear sequins, this is a really good fabric choice and dress choice slash play suit choice to go with. You can wear this during the nighttime parties or dinners, but mostly parties. I don't really think that this is a dinner outfit. Next up is this mint green jumpsuit. Mint green is not a color I would usually go for because it's cooler than it's warm, but I think that my undertones are olive, so I can kind of get away with cool colors sometimes, and this is one of those situations. This just feels amazing on the skin, very soft, very flowy, giving rich auntie vibes. You can wear this for garden parties, brunch. You can wear this anywhere. You can wear this to go and visit your friend. You can wear this to chill at home. You can wear this with work. This is one of those pieces that you can kind of like dress up. If you wore a blazer over this and some sneakers or shoes, you can wear this to work. If you take off all of that, you can wear this anywhere. Amazing choice. Next up is gorgeous white sneakers. These shoes are so comfortable, guys. Very comfortable. Do not, if you have big feet, I don't know how up to the size that this carries up to, but I got mine in a size 41, and I usually wear a 40, but it still felt absolutely amazing on my feet. Comfortable shoes are very important, and of course white sneakers go with everything. You can wear them with corporate clothes, you can wear them with casual clothes, you can wear them to concerts, you can wear them to brunch, you can wear them, well, don't wear white sneakers to dinner, please don't do that. So yeah, you can pair your white sneakers with anything. Once I had to pair them with this gorgeous like linen blend blouse I got with this cream shorts for like a monochromatic cream look. Shorts, very comfortable, amazing material. I absolutely love the feel of the linen blouse. You can see how the white sneaker absolutely complements this look, or you can dress it up a little and do the olive blouse with the green trousers that I did, and you can see how the white sneakers also complemented that look. I think that one thing that you need to know about Mango is that if you're looking for good quality basics in a variety of colors, so neutrals or like bright colorful themes, Mango is the place to go, because when you go into the store, everything is sort of color coordinated, so you'd see everything that you're looking for. And if you look through all the items that I'm showing you in this video, you would see that I bought things with my color palette in mind. Please don't ask me when I'll start wearing more colors, because I'm wearing color right now, okay? This black dress is a very, I don't know, when I saw it, I was like, this doesn't look like something that I would typically wear, because it's more on the edgy side, as you can see with the leather belt and the silver detailing in the waist on the belt, and then you can see how it's like a blazer, almost sleeveless tuxedo style dress, but there was just something very like expensive about it, and I loved how it was modest but with a little bit of sexy. So I really liked the deep cut in the middle and the length of the dress. This also has a zipper in, so be rest assured that it's not like a button all through style blazer dress. You can wear this to party, it might be hot. You can wear this to, I wouldn't wear this to dinner, but I'll wear this to like an evening event. It's a really nice dress, and I think that every girl actually needs a blazer dress in her closet, and you'll not go wrong with this one. Every girl needs a white shirt, and you can see this gorgeous white shirt from Mango. It fits just right. It's a little bit like fitted, and I feel like I went with this one because I didn't want that oversized white shirt look, because I wanted like a bit more corporate prim clean type of look, something more fitted, something more tailored. So that's why I went with this choice. They did have oversized shirts in store, so if that's your jam, there's definitely something for you. Oh, this black dress, you know, like one thing that I really like about this black dress is that in front it just looks very basic, very boring, but at the back it's a really interesting dress. This dress should only be worn to dinners or parties. That's just wear it in the night. Please don't walk around during the day in this dress. But please, these are my opinions. These are how I think clothes should be worn based off the styles that they're made in. But in the end, your personal style, your decisions are yours to make. Take my advice and my opinions with a pinch of salt. So this look, first off, the skirt is a very flattering short skirt with ruffles at the end. I love how it was very feminine, very like playful, and I paired it with this, I don't know how to explain the fabric, but it's like a stretchy soft fabric, and then it has this sheer details on the sleeves on the side. And then I went on to pair it with this gorgeous olive cardigan. So when I went into the store and I saw this cardigan, I knew I had to get it, because I remember when I traveled to Zanzibar with my friends, when we would dress up really nice for like dinner at night and it'll be kind of cold, we never really had anything to kind of like cover up without looking like a hobo. And you can't really wear coats in Africa, so I think it's really good for you, well, not in Africa, in Nigeria, because it's hot in Nigeria. So it's good for you to have like a nice cardigan that you can always like throw over your outfits to look a little bit more elevated, dressed up, expensive, and bougie. Okay, so that's it, loves. We've come to the end of this video. Total amount spent on this haul, it's on screen. I feel embarrassed, but these are items that I'm sure that I will wear multiple times in multiple ways, and they will last me a bit of time. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that there's some things I actually had from Mango, I think last year, and I've washed them a couple of times. They're still in good shape. I can still wear them now. So if you're a team, wear clothes till you get the best value out of them. You should definitely spend your clothes on Mango. Let me know, what was your favorite outfit? What did I say about where to wear them to, and that you agree with or that you disagree with, and how would you wear this outfit? I feel like in December or during Christmas season, it's really good to spend a little to make yourself happy, especially if you've done a lot of work during the year. It's just sort of a little way to reward yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10K, hopefully before the end of the first quarter next year. So until next time, see you in my next video.